Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we're here for a special unboxing for Pasha Blush. And before I get started, I just want to thank each and every one of you for holding it down, subscribing, commenting, and liking my videos. I plan to have more great content for you all coming soon, so let's get into it. All right, you guys, so let's get started. I have the box here from Pasha Blush. I will leave the website information and everything you need to know down below. So we're just gonna get started into this box. So Pasha Blush does sell boxes on her website that has specific items in it, but I did purchase additional items, as well as I was gifted some additional items from her to show you all. So we're gonna get right into this box. So it's pretty heavy and you can smell everything already. So my box is pretty full, so I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So first I'm gonna pull out the Pasha Blush Rose and Juniper Berry Facial, and this is a facial steam. So first of all, y'all, this packaging is really pretty. You can't tell me this is not cute. The outside and the contents on the inside, like, it's gorgeous. So I haven't smelled this yet, so we're gonna go ahead and do this on camera. From my understanding, with these facial steams that come in these packets, you should be able to get four facial steams out of this. So y'all, self-care is the best care, so that's what we're gonna do. So as y'all can see, I'm still struggling to open my packaging with these nails. Okay, finally got it open. So we're gonna edit that out, Jemiah. So to get a good amount of product in here, and like I said, you guys, this should give you 4 facial steams. And it's a rose and juniper berry facial. So I definitely smell the rose, and I can also get like that hint of berry. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells really nice. It smells really nice. And y'all, her products are all natural, by the way. So we're gonna move on because this is gonna be a pretty big haul. Next I pulled from here, which is it's leaking a little bit now. There must be that oil. Oh, but it smells so good, y'all. This is the Pasha Blush Rose Botanical Himalayan Salt Scrub. So this is a scrub for your body, and y'all, you can see like the Himalayan salt in there. You can see some of the oil kind of at the bottom, and you know, trying to disperse throughout. I did open this before, so I can say that that's why you know, it's leaking a little oil, but honey, it smells good. You can see like the rose petals in there, you know. Y'all, she makes all of this stuff from scratch herself. So I'm not gonna lay that on my bed. Okay, next I have this rose bath bomb. Smells really, really nice. Y'all know what a bath bomb is. You can never have too many of them though, and it's an excellent size, pretty good size. Let's see, next I have the, y'all, I'm blind, I can't hardly see because of the oil too, y'all. I got a magnifying glass. I can't really see y'all, but this is the Botanical Oil. You can use this on your face and body, all natural, and it does have, you know, some hints of rose in there. I do believe, yes, this is rose in it. So it's the Rose Botanical Face and Body Oil. Y'all, I'm really excited about this one. She did inform me you can use this after you take a bath, and you know, it keeps your skin glowing. And y'all, she has some really beautiful glowing skin, and this is what she uses. So very beautiful. It does have a strong scent of the rose smell, so if you do love rose scented items, you guys will love this. But there's just that oil. Give you a really nice natural glow. So next I have in here, which is a product I am testing, which I need to get to, is this is an actual lip scrub that she's doing. So I'll tell y'all about this later. Let's see. Next, oh, something I've been really excited about, which is something additional that she's doing. This is the pasha.blush Rose Milk Bath. So pretty. So if y'all seen those, like, if y'all ever seen somebody do like a photo shoot where the water in the bathtub is really milky, and you know they have rose petals and stuff, sis, get you one. Do you want that? Do you want to have a luxurious bath? I know I do. I was literally thinking about that when this was just an additional item she added to my box. So I'm really excited to try this out. Treat yourself like the queen that you are, okay? Or the king, or, you know, whatever you identify as. Like, treat yourself, okay? Next item that I'm really excited about is this Sage Smudge Stick. Y'all, I have never had one before. I've always wanted to try one. I've been clearing the energy in my room and, you know, just getting rid of the old to make room for the new and all that. This is something I'm ready to do. So I'm glad that I finally got this on camera for you all to see, and so I can finally use it. My room is in definite need, and my home just is in need of, you know, clearing energy. Love it, love it, love it. And I don't really know what to say it smells like. I don't even know what sage is supposed to smell like, but I'm really excited to use this. Okay. So next we have her natural lip balm, which also has her, you know, her cute little logo on there. This is the natural lip balm. I've already tried it out. I'm not going to tell y'all the ingredients because I don't remember, but all natural. There's no scent in here, so any of you guys who can't have, you know, any scented things or whatnot, this is perfect for you. And actually all of this stuff, she makes everything from completely natural ingredients. There are no chemicals or anything added to the items that you have. So people with sensitive skin should be able to also wear these products. So next thing that I was really excited about, like, I'm just gonna show you first. Y'all, this is a bar of soap. That's a bar of soap. So beautiful. It's shaped like a rose, and she does have 3 different kinds that she offers. This one is the Rose Botanical Shea Butter Soap, but I know she's also doing one with goat milk, and the other one I can't really remember, but I am getting those 2 as well. But y'all, this is just so beautiful. Like, you can't tell me you don't want this in your bathroom. You don't want this in your collection. Like, you're missing out. If you don't, you're missing out. And y'all, it smells so good. It smells so good. It's so pretty. You can see like the, you know, the oil in the package. Like, I'm so excited to use that. That's going in my shower. It's going in my shower. I'm gonna lather my body with it. And last but not least in this lovely box is the pasha.blush Georgia Peach Coconut Soy Candle. First of all, this color is gorgeous. It's this beautiful coral orange color. And y'all, I've been waiting to light this candle, so I just can't wait. It smells so good. Like, Bath and Body Works, who? Don't get me wrong, I love Bath and Body Works, and I love, you know, other candles and stuff too, but y'all, invest in small business. It smells so good. It smells so good. Exactly what you imagine a Georgia peach to be. That, like, if you can imagine what a Georgia peach smells like, this is what it is. It smells so good. I think it'll really liven up the energy in my room. So y'all, I try to keep this video as short as possible because I'm trying to go ahead and push it out and, you know, let you all, you know, get access to all the beautiful things she has to offer on her site. So I'm trying to get this box all closed up for y'all so I can show you all again. To check out her website, pasha.blush. I'm going to link it down below. I'm also going to link her Instagram. And y'all just check her out. Support small businesses. Bye.